Hello and welcome to your Biological Sciences Combined course. I am Professor Febres, your instructor for this course. The purpose of this video is to help you navigate through the course, know where everything is, and make sure that you are able to complete your work by due dates and time. This video should last about 10 to 15 minutes. I strongly suggest you watch it on its entirety as it has or it will have important information on how to complete your assessments, work that needs to be completed in order for you to be successful. So hang tight, 10-15 minutes. I'll try to give you all the information and the overview of the course. First thing you need to do once you finish watching this video is go to your modules, and you can access your modules from two tabs. You can answer your modules from this tab, which is in the middle of this page, which is the page where you selected or press play to watch this video, or you can go to the drop down menu. Go to the drop down menu. First thing you need to do is look at your orientation module. There is important information in there about not only this course, but Valencia College. If you're familiar with it, skip it. But if you are not, or it's the first time, I suggest you go through all of that information. The most important tab of this orientation module is the course schedule and detailed information. When you click on it, it is the syllabus for the course, but because now they require that we do a simple syllabus, a more general syllabus, which is probably the one that you saw when you register for the course. It doesn't have any details about the course. I continue to post the old version of the syllabus, which has all the information you will need in order to be successful. Go through this information. I'm going to go really quick over the important points of the syllabus. First of all, text. Uh, it is required because you need to get your information from somewhere, especially to study for quizzes and exam. On the materials for this course, you have an access code to gain access to the electronic version of this text, and also that access code has activities that you may want to use to enhance your learning. The activities are not required. I do not post assessments on the platform that the access code give you access to. So listen carefully to what I'm going to say, and if you have questions, email me and I'll clarify. This book, you can get the hard copy if you would like. You do not need to purchase the access code for the electronic version if you don't want to. If you already have it, that's great. It's the same thing. It's the only difference is it is electronically, it is online. But if you rather have a textbook, as I know some students prefer, you can purchase the just the hard copy of the book, and that will work as well. Either or, all you need is the book. So you either need to have it with the access code, or you will have to have the hard copy. The other required material is the access code to gain access to the virtual labs. This is a 4-credit course, which means it has a lab component, which is required. Therefore, this access code to gain access to the virtual lab, it is required. It is mandatory. Instead of paying a lab fee, you will purchase the access code that gives you access to the platform for the virtual labs, Macmillan Lab Simulations. And once again, it is required. So both the access code for the electronic version of the book and the access code for the virtual lab, if you do not have them, you can still, and I'll show you in a few minutes how to go to the platforms. You can still go to the platforms and register for a 2-week temporary access to both the electronic version of the book and also the uh, uh, virtual lab platform. Once again, these are two different access codes, two different prices, two different materials that you need for this course. And once again, the book is either electronic with the access code. If you purchase it, that's fantastic. If you don't want to purchase, you can get the hard copy, but you need both. Course description is in there. I'll let you read that. Attendance policy. One thing that you need to do is email me. Once you finish reading and going through the syllabus, email me letting me know that you read it and that you understand it. Do that by January 17th. This is a required email that let me know that you began attending the course. And so it is explaining there why it is important for you to send this email. Withdrawal policy, deadline for withdrawal is March 15. Although I will tell you, as you follow the instructions, no reason to withdraw from this course. It's not really hard. You just need to stay on top of things. And then there's information that you may or may not need. Just go through it. Online learning, the computer, and that used for this course. This is an online course. You do need a computer. And rating and makeup policy. I'll let you read that. This is and this was actually on the simple syllabus. This is the summary of all of the work you will need to complete in order to successfully get the 4 credits for this course and how is it divided. So as you can see, you are going to be doing 14 labs, which is about 28% of the grade for this course, which is mandatory because there is the lab component. Very convenient because you don't have to go to the actual college to do the labs on a face-to-face, but you can actually complete them virtually. And one of the advantages of doing this is these labs will always work. When you go and do a lab, a face-to-face lab, they may work, they may not work, but these ones will always work. And so you will learn what you're supposed to get from them. Last, you have this detailed schedule of what you need to complete every week for this course. All right, so let's start with this. So the course is divided into modules, and you will complete one module per week. The week starts on Sundays, and work is due by Saturdays, 11:59 p.m. All the work within that module is due by Saturday, 11:59 p.m. Now listen carefully to what I'm going to say now. Labs, the virtual labs for this course, some of them are time consuming. Therefore, I do not close the virtual lab, even though they have a due date. You will see here lab scientific method. It says it's due January 20th. I do not close it. That means you can, if you don't complete it by January 20th, you will still have access to complete it at a later time without any penalty. However, be careful. Do not let this lab pile up. There is a definite due date and time to submit all labs by the last day of the course, which is April 24th. Reason why I leave them open is because I know that you're taking an online course because and this course is asynchronous. That means that you complete the work on your own time, and that's the whole purpose of an online course. I'm sorry. So I leave you that option of uh, just work those lab at your own pace. And some of them are easy and you can complete them in like 2 hours or 1 hour. But some of them are a little bit time consumer and they require a little bit more time for you to understand what's going on. So once again, even though they have suggested due dates and times, that doesn't mean they need to be completed by that exact due date and that exact time. So that is the summary of all of this is the overview of the course. The course, like I said, divided into modules, and each one of those modules they have. And let's go now to the modules so that you can take a quick look. So these modules, it looks like a lot, but it's really not that lot. The course has lots of resources for you to get acquainted with the concepts that you need to know and learn. Uh, but it's a lot of information. When you look at it, um, less than half is work that you really have to do and complete and submit. And so on my next video, because I don't like to do long videos, I'm going to go specifically over how to complete quizzes, how to complete the exams, how to complete the virtual labs, how to complete the, um, there are some videos that have some questions and how to complete the discussion forums. So I will finish this video with the overview of the course. Once again, it is divided into courses or into modules, I'm sorry. And on my next video, I'm just gonna go through one module and I will give you examples and more detailed information on how to complete each one of those I just mentioned. So please make sure you watch the next video on its entirety, as it will allow you to be successful or complete all assignments for this course successfully. So see you on the next video. Or, yeah, see you on the next video.